Well, if I may start, predictability is very crucial. That's what we are working on. But as I said, both white paper and ReArm Europe proposals are the first step. We shall see how things are going on. We expect that those possibilities which now are created with safe regulation and with possibility for escape clause to be used by national governments really will be attractive. I would remind that the loans, European loans, which now we are proposing for member states, 150 billion loans, are very similar in their construction with what was done back during pandemic, so-called SURE instrument. And at that time, around 20 countries were using this possibility to have cheaper loans, and they would be able to get loans from the market. So that's one thing which we consider that, of course, there are countries which can be, which have their own ratings better than or similar or on a similar level like European AAA ratings. And they will perhaps not use those loans, but loans and SAFE, what we need to understand, is also bringing some practical benefits for member states who will participate in this project. First of all, it opens the doors for being really much more effective in supporting Ukraine. Second, it opens the doors for have much more quick procurement procedures, with possibility to open contracts which will be which will exist, and to go in such a way. And second, also it opens the doors for VAT exemption. So there are attractive points which we expect that member states will look into that. And of course, we shall go with a lot of all the different possibilities to explain to member states why they should use this opportunity. So we shall follow very closely. You know that the graphic and calendar is quite tight. It's 6 months for member states to present their request. And we shall see how we can, what else we need to do. We don't want now to jump into next, possibilities or new possibilities, because, definitely if we shall start to speak that there will be very quickly some other possibilities, it can damage how member states will look into what is offered now. So let's wait and see.
Yes, HRVP.